Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay for IKEA credit card, right? So it's really easy. You can make a purchase on the IKEA credit card payment. So here we are into the website of IKEA, and first of all you have to select a product to buy, right? So here let's say I will just go to the furniture section here, and I like this product, so I will just add this product to my cart, right? So here, as you can see here, add to bag, and once you click on here, just go to the shopping bag, right? So we will click on here. By the way, you can follow the same instruction over your smartphone. Now here, if you have a discount code, then you can just add for it. I will click on continue to checkout. Now here it will ask you to log in into your account. So you can also go and purchase as a guest, but I will advise you that go and join or log in, right? So let's say we will click on login here, and here once you're here, basically they will ask your email address and login info. Okay, now you have to fill up all this information. For example, that you want a home delivery or you just want to pick it up there at some location of IKEA stores. And after that, you have to fill up all this information here, as you can see. And then you have to click on continue. Then we will get led to our payment page. Now here, as you can see here, this is our payment page. Now here we can use our credit card, right? So here you have to click on I have read and understood. As you can see here, everything is accepted here, whichever card you have right now, and then just click on pay whatever the amount it is. Now you have to just wait for a few seconds, and you have to select the card options here. For example, that we are using a credit card, right? So here let's say that I have a Visa credit card here, and I have to fill up all this information: card number, card holder name, expiration date, the CVV, and each and everything, and click on pay now, right? So this is how you can just do it. It's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.